enter the heart of the Caribbean.
Just this one. Holy cow.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands. Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume your flight as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. We are now resuming your journey and will take flight momentarily. Thank you.
This is the one I was in earlier. 115, same one.
Oh.